Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm and Everyday Woodworking. Today is a big day, a very big day, because I'm debuting a new product. It's not only new to us, it's new to everybody. Look, if you've been a fan of ours for any length of time, you know we make a lot of pocket holes, but you probably already know we don't make pocket holes with anything other than Kreg equipment, K-R-E-G, Kreg equipment. So today I am very excited to have a brand new Kreg 720 Pro. This is the Mac Daddy of their pocket hole systems. Man, I'm excited. Look, this box is taped up. I haven't even opened it yet. So we're gonna open it together. We're gonna see what's inside and we're gonna see how it works. I can't wait. Here we go. All right, the new Kreg 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig. This thing is beautiful, it's sleek, it's modern, and look, the special promo package even comes with a new wood project clamp and some bonus screws. I love these clamps, love, love, love it. So this is a big deal in and of itself. I can't wait to open this thing up and see what all it can do. This is gonna make our life a lot easier, I just know it. All right, let's see what's inside. This is like Christmas. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, we got more tape. Now look, this is worth the price of admission alone. Fantastic. These clamps are indispensable. Now, this is like opening up some elaborate present. All right. Oh, we got a lot of nice, some 1 1/4 and 2 1/2 inch wood screws. These are the most common sizes. We use these all the time. Great. And a few more other, it looks like a few more other odd sizes. Great. Here is the Big Daddy. Oh my gosh. Look at this, the packaging. Look at that. Cool. All right, very nice. Very nice, Kreg. What a great job. Oh, look at that. Slick, baby. Nice. Very, ooh, look at this. I have no idea how this works yet. I haven't read any instructions. Of course, there is an instruction manual with it. Looks like this is maybe a dust collection accessory. Another. And then on in the box, of course, we have plenty of bits. This is going to be a drill bit. This is the collar that goes on that bit. We have wings in there. I don't know if you're real familiar with, I've been using the K5 for a long time, a very long time. I have loved it. And the wings are a big part of what we do to help us keep our projects stable as we're drilling. So this is a new version of the wings, which also, if I'm not mistaken, is also going to have, yes, it's also going to have storage in there. Look at that. More clamps, more guides. Fantastic. All right. Fantastic. There's another wing here, another similarly designed wing for the other side. Fantastic. I love it that it's got rulers on it. The other K5 wings did not have all of this. And this is nice and wide, so that gives us a nice platform. Very nice. Let's go ahead and hook this thing up and see what it'll do. Let's do. Okay, so I'm learning as we go, along with you, with our Kreg 720 Pro. One thing I did not realize is that on the back, we have some really cool bit storage back here. This is also a great place to be able to adjust the collar on the drill bit for the correct depth. Now, I thought these were the wings. And yes, they are. These are material support wings with storage. But if you did not use those, if you didn't have that, the 720 Pro comes with built-in extension wings. And these are, I would say these are a basic wing. This gets the job done. But you can have the additional support wings with storage if you want to do that. And that's what comes with the 720 Pro, and that's what we want to do. So if I want to connect these additional wings, I'm going to get a dock adapter. We're going to connect these very easily, pop these in place, and then connect each wing in a snap. Now we've got the wing. It opens up with its storage, and it will fold up out of the way, and you can lock it in place for storage. Wow, I like this. I like it a lot. Now the 720 Pro also comes with a whole complement of brand new bits. This is our drilling bit. It also comes with the movable collar. I've already set this bit up, as you can see down here in the very convenient peephole. This is set up for 3/4 inch material, which is exactly what we're going to be testing this on. This is set up sharp in the drill, ready to go. All right, let's get down to what we really came here for, which is to drill some pocket holes. Let's see how easy this is. I don't know, this is my first time. We'll take a 1x4, which is 3/4 inch thick, and I'm looking for the adjustment for this assembly right here. Guess what? There is no adjustment. This is self-adjusting. So as I clamp the 720 Pro down, it automatically adjusts. This is gonna make my life a lot easier, because I can't count the number of times on the K5 where I've forgotten to adjust that little head to the correct height, and I wind up misdrilling my holes and I ruin the material. Those days are over. I'm gonna put this in exactly where I want it, clamp it down easily, nice. I can also tighten this up or loosen it if I need to, depending on the thickness of my material. Now, I'll just drill my hole. Let's see. There we go. Like a Pro, or a 720 Pro, I should say. Nice. Very nice. Let's do another one. Perfect. Easy, nice, clean. So as you can see, we've got a lot of shavings in here. Normally I'd hook up my shop vac to this and suck these out. I didn't want to do that on our first drill because I wanted you to be able to freely see the operation. Let's see though how we hook our shop vac up. It looks like a completely different process from before, and I think I like it. All right, we've got this opening, obviously, here, and it is the perfect fit for this adapter. This comes with the 720 Pro. We're gonna slide this right in here with the open side facing our drill ports here. Push this, there we go, all the way in. There is an additional adapter for different dust collection systems. I don't need this, because I'm only using a standard shop vac, and this hose slips right on here. Now let's drill something and turn the shop vac on and see how clean it is. Okay, let's see what it looks like inside. Clean as a whistle. Nicely done, Kreg. Very nice. All right, so we're just getting started. We've only just begun to skim the surface with this 720 Pro. I really like it. It's really smooth, really slick. I love the self-adjusting feature. I love the big storage on the wings, because with the K5 they were really narrow, which was fine for supporting the material that we used, but there wasn't a lot of storage in there. Tons of storage in these wings, so I think this is really great. I'm going to get into some more detail in another video. For this, I just wanted to get into how does it work basically. Can we take it out of the box and like in 5 minutes can we be drilling pocket holes? And we were, and we did it well. It was very easy, very intuitive, and again, the self-adjusting feature, that was a home run right there. I love that feature. Fantastic job, Kreg, on this. We're gonna dig into this more though, and we're not gonna pull any punches. We're really gonna put this thing through its paces. We're gonna look at all of the features. We're really gonna get detailed in it and spend some time with the 720 Pro. We're gonna see what we can do with it. We might even see what we can't do with it, if there is such a thing, right? But we love this so far. Thank you so much, Kreg, for sharing this with us. And thank you guys for giving us an opportunity to share this with you. My first unboxing opinion of this is, I would say, if you're a Kreg fan, upgrade. It's time to upgrade. We love our K5. We've used it faithfully for years and years, but this is really a step up. If you're not a Kreg user, you should be. And this shows why. This, in my opinion, this shows why Kreg is the king of the pocket holes. There are a lot of pocket hole companies out there. There are a lot of companies who make pocket hole jigs. We use Kreg because their products are fantastic. They just are. They're innovative. They're on the cutting edge. They always work. And that's important to us, because when something doesn't work, it just jacks up the whole day. Thank you guys for being here. Thanks again for letting me show you the 720 Pro from Kreg. Go get you one today. You will not regret it. And we'll be back with a more detailed video about the 720 Pro. And we're going to do a head-to-head with the new 720 Pro and our old K5 and see how they stack up against each other. You don't want to miss that. Thanks again for being here. Take care. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.